Cap construction designs focus on providing you one or more of the following benefits: adding volume at the crown, providing multi-directional parting, providing a more natural hairline, mimicking natural hair growth, or allowing scalp cooling and comfort. Jon Renau caps feature one or more of these benefits. However, it is important to be clear about which of these benefits are most important for you. This will help you determine the cap design that is best suited for your needs. The traditional cap is a fully wefted cap with a closed crown. This design is best for those looking to add volume at the crown and throughout the wig. The open cap design is a fully wefted cap with open panels in the crown. This lightweight cap design provides superior ventilation for maximum scalp cooling. Lace front open cap has a fine welded lace front and open cap design, combining the benefits of a natural hairline and superior ventilation for cooling and comfort. Our monofilament cap design allows multi-directional parting, giving the appearance of natural growth. The exclusive Jon Renau design offers double monofilament, a secondary, sheer silk-like layer offering the wearer superior comfort. Monofilament 100% hand-tied. While the monofilament design allows multi-directional parting, the hand-tied design mimics natural hair growth and movement throughout with a 4-inch stretch section for ultimate comfort. Lace front monofilament caps combine the benefits of a natural hairline and multi-directional parting throughout the mono top. Lace front monofilament 100% hand-tied caps give you a natural hairline, while the hand-tied design mimics natural hair growth and movement throughout the style with a 4-inch stretch section for ultimate comfort. Evolution. This innovative cap was designed with the permanent hair loss client in mind. This cap design is best for clients with total, complete hair loss. The strategically placed silicone creates additional security for the wearer, keeping the cap in place. The polyurethane areas allow the wearer the option to apply adhesive if desired. The 4 rows running stitch provides durability to the stretch section behind each ear tab. The lace front is designed using Swiss lace and allows for a personal, customized hairline.